got my size. Oh snap, I forgot. Did I tell them my size? Did they have I ever told them? What up, internet? It's JD, and today I've got, oh wait. Yo, what's going on, internet? It's JD, and today I got a package. Yeah. I'm not exactly sure who it's from, but we're gonna open it up. And oh snap. Okay, I know who it's from now. All right, hold on. This is fire. Hold on. Oh snap. Hey. Oh. Okay. PlayStation. All right, I figured out who it's from. It's from PlayStation. Shout out to PlayStation for providing whatever this product is, and I know what it is now. We got some limited edition sneakers. I remember hearing about this, the Reebok PlayStation collab, so it looks like your boy was on a short list of people who got a pair. Oh, not even a pair, bro. It's all three? Hey, hold on. Okay. But wait, can we look at the box? Are y'all looking at the box? Vibes on the box. It says 30th anniversary right here. Reebok on the side. I got like a little Reebok PlayStation sign right here on the back. Yeah, I guess it's housing however many. Are they gonna fall? Oh, snap, bro. Oh, snap, bro. For those that don't know, I'm a sneakerhead, love sneakers. Shout out to PlayStation because this is like a early Christmas present, honestly. Okay, so I don't know the name of the sneakers. I just know that there's three in here. Hopefully they got my size. Oh snap, I forgot. Did I tell them my size? Did they have I ever told them what's? Oh yeah, they're my size. Sorry. My bad. These are, dang, I don't know if I'm gonna take them out the package. Hold on, I'll take them out just to show off. This is the first pair. These are called the Instapump Fury 94. Bro, what the heck? These are crazy looking. We got the Instapump Fury 94. Shout out to the pump. I haven't done this in a while. Not since I was a kid. But yeah, these look fire. I love the way that they look. They got the PlayStation on the tongue right there. That looks good. They got the PlayStation 1 logo on the back, as you can see. The bottoms are just cool looking. I don't know. There's the shoe. I like this. Okay. PlayStation. I see you, PlayStation. All right, let's move on to the next shoe. PlayStation done blessed your boy. All right. Man, these are too clean, bro. What the hell? I went down to the third shoe because I want to do the official Reebok pump last, but these are the Reebok Workout Plus. Workout? Is that right? All right, these are the Workout Plus by Reeboks. These are their training entertainment sneaker right here. I like it. It's like a nice little casual kind of go out and enjoy yourself kind of shoe. Very much a la to sneakers that you would just wear on the go from what I'm seeing. Sorry for that. The focus is being weird. But yeah, the tongue. It's got, what does that say on the front? It's got Reebok with the logo and the PlayStation colors. Bottom of the sneaker. Get a little side angle. Other side. I like it. I'm trying. Oh, I didn't get to see what the inside. Oh, I didn't do that. Wow, I might have to go back. Oh, you can't even see it from here. My bad. Kind of dark, but on the inside there's like, or actually, can you pull the sole out without messing up the shoe? Okay, here we go. Okay, looks like they got this like super crazy, whatever you want to call it, type of tongue. I don't even know. I'm not a sneaker unboxer, so I don't know how to explain all this. But this ain't the tongue. This is the, what's it called? The sole. It looks good though. All right, y'all. And last but not least, we've got my favorite sneaker from the Reebok. Ooh, the Reebok official pump. Dang, bro, this one is a classic right here. Hold on one second. What am I looking for? I'm looking for, I don't know what I'm looking for, but whatever. Y'all know, y'all know these from the 90s, from the era where Reebok was king. It's one of my favorite shoes. And I actually have a few pumps that I think I still have. I think I still have them, actually. Andre Agassi had some. I feel like Shaq had some. I don't know. Dang, bro. These are technically hoop shoes. I would never hoop in these, though. I don't think I'd ever mess these up. The Reebok original pump from back in the day with the PlayStation logo on it. Came with some laces. Man. Yeah, this is fire. This is a fire sneaker, for sure. Shout out to PlayStation for providing this product. Shout out to Reebok for collaborating with PlayStation. If y'all like this video, you know what to do. Leave some support. All right, I'm out. JD, peace.